house of the Lord today. Ooh, clear. Just doing some sound check. Ooh, light is lighting. Alright, so I'm having breakfast. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Don't worry. Haven't had breakfast this morning, so having breakfast. It is break until the first service. I gotta do my lips still, but I'd rather eat first. I've got a banana. Hold on, let me show you. This is breakfast of champions, and my tea here. It's a throat coat tea. So that's what it is. Everybody's just chilling. Okay, so first things first, outfit check. So that's what I am wearing with my pink socks and the stripe. We're staying comfy. Let's do this lip combo real quick. I'm trying to go fast because I'm holding up the bathroom. Starting off with the NYX. This is a shade Cold Brew. Overline never hurt nobody. Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk. I love I love this lipstick. Gives me the pigment, and I'm gonna go in with this. This is a tinted balm from Lawless. This is shade, what is this? It's Sweetie. Gives that shine and moisturizing. And because I'm one of the few, I will normalize going back in. Never be afraid to go back in. With your lip liner. And that's the lip combo for today. Anyways, gotta head back in. So first set went well. Time for some tea. Get the soothing. Probably gonna have to redo my lip combo afterwards. Because yeah, it's just the light is lighting. The sun is out. It's a good day to go to church. Also, my hair. It looks like I dyed my hair. It's gonna have to work. So it works. It works. By God's grace, in Jesus' name, it works. The style is cute. It's just I didn't dye my hair, okay? But we rocking grace today. We rocking grace today.
In ways that we will understand. But don't get it twisted, you will never fully understand God. It's too great.
Yes.
I want you to think about the greatest concept of God in your mind, like how loving He is, how good He is, how close He is, whatever the case may be, He's more.
Yes, He is.
God is more beautiful than the most beautiful thing that you've ever seen.
Why are you so close? I'm back home. Yay! So 3 services down. It is now time for me to clean up this area because it is looking quite atrocious. Starting with putting back some of these guys. My lip combo. I need to start bringing powder to church because I have all these creasage. The hair turned out to be kind of a hit because people thought I actually colored my hair. Anyway, so I came home and I got my order. I'm really excited. I needed a new brush because my other one was broken. So I got a pink one. It's on sale. And I finally got, this is, I believe, her second devotional. So this is from a good friend of mine. Her name is Nikita Bell. and it's called The Woman at the Well. It's a devotional. It's available at Amazon. I'm really, really excited to dig into it starting this week. And yeah, like, her first one was amazing. I know for a fact this one's gonna be just as good, if not even better. So I'm really excited about this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. Put my hair up in a bun until my next wash day. This was a really fun hairstyle. Day 3 of the reverse styling. And then I'm going to wash my face later on tonight. All right, so check back in with y'all later.
Because I'm going to be running around a lot.
Mercy, you are going to be running around a lot. You're playing street hockey.
Yeah.
Just go and have a good time.
Good.
Great is your faithfulness to me. Oh no!
What? What? What happened?
It's just my lip gloss. Okay, go get ready. What are you doing? You still have your dress on.
I need help with the bag.
I was working on it. Time for some judge duty.
To another. Got onto the plane. I don't believe I've ever seen this gentleman before in my life. Whether he was in the window seat, I don't know. With you? Judge Judy continues in a moment.
You saw what he did. What did you say to him? I didn't say much. I was shocked. You were shocked. You said to him, what's wrong with you? Does he have a bad temper?
Real cases, real people. Judge Judy.
Alright, we're reaching the end of the day. Spent my day doing laundry, putting dishes in dishwashers. I did have like a late lunch. No, it was more supper. Let me fix this thing. Alright, so day 3, this is the reverse styling. I really need a better, I think I need to use less gel. Not a better gel, because I did use a good gel. Because it's still, I mean, the definition's still there. It ain't going nowhere. I just use too much gel. I really do like this style. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably gonna be my go-to. Because, yeah, I'm a huge fan of reverse styling. And I'm just gonna pineapple it up and pray for the best as I would my wash and goes. Like if this was a regular wash and go, I definitely do that. That's one of the things I do like about this particular hairstyle is the fact that when I put it up in a pineapple, I'm not like worried about my hair or like the back of my hair looking all weird. I'm able to get most of these in there. Let's see, can I get most of these? This is not gonna go up. Anyways, so now we got ourselves a pineapple. I'm gonna go and wash my face because she needs to be washed. Yeah, we're washing our face. Cool thing is, am I still recording? I am. Skincare is important to me. What is this? What is that? Where did it come from? Okay, so skincare. Let's get back on track. Staying focused here. Skincare is important to me, and this is gonna probably be like my 3rd attempt at this, but here goes. Hassanti sent me a whole glow scription, I believe it's called. So I had a whole lot of stuff in PR. I tried this cleansing balm. It smells incredible, and it's really gentle and removes everything. This is the brightening cleansing balm from Lift Off. Love the frosted tub. I love that it's a tub. Love that it smells incredible. Like it really does smell like a tropical getaway. It's really nice. I think it's like papaya or something. Papaya mango. I don't know. It's really nice. But it also has like that freshness to it. And it melts on contact, which is always a great thing. And did you know that Hassanti's Canadian owned? Yes. So, I don't know, I'm in my Canadian skincare routine, Canadian brand, so we love it over here, especially when it works. You see how everything starts melting away? And I'm wearing a lot of makeup because I have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation that I was hiding. So a lot, especially like around here, it's all coming off. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but if you haven't already, subscribe. Press that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get to the eyebrows. I'm always super anxious about the eye makeup because I wore a tubing mascara today, and this makeup has been on my face since 6:30 this morning. It is now almost 6 o'clock, so it's almost 12 hours. I don't like to keep my makeup on, especially on Sundays when I do serve. I don't like to like overextend the wear of my makeup because that is a long time to have like makeup on. And I mixed 2 foundations, used 2 separate concealers just to provide like a coverage. I really wanted that full coverage. Sometimes the look calls for it. I use 2 separate setting sprays because I love them and they do their job. And I know that they're actually gonna keep my face satin still without needing to reapply. You saw what my face looked like at the beginning before I even applied. The only thing that probably would have needed like a reapplication would have been my lip. Okay, and I'm afraid to even open my eyes at this point. But everything, a gentle massage, everything is coming off with a gentle massage with this cleansing balm. I've been using it for the last 3 days. That's how much I love it. And I love that I don't have to be aggressive with the rubbing, especially now that I'm like healing my skin. It's all about gentle support. Yeah, it's melting off that tube for sure. Okay, let's rinse. I know for a fact like my face is like a mess. Okay, let's wipe some of that off. At least I want to see. There we go. Yeah, should have wiped off the whole thing. And there you go, step 1, and my makeup is gone. All the hyperpigmentation has returned. Even my tubing mascara is like, there's nothing there. Which is crazy, because normally with tubing mascaras, I have to like soak it in water. But if you're looking for a good cleansing balm, the Hassanti Lift Off Brightening Cleansing Balm, absolutely, highly recommend. Highly. Okay, next, another Canadian skincare from Marcel Cosmetics. I know they mostly they're known for their makeup products, but I love their cleanser. Doesn't get enough hype. And it's a foaming cleansing gel. And it's super important to like double cleanse your skin. Okay, let's turn that off. Really important to double cleanse your skin. Even if you have acne prone or oily skin, you really want to ensure that before you put on serums that you're starting with a really good clean base and gently massage it. Some people use a brush. I use my fingers and just really making sure that everything is working in there. And I've heard it said that it's really good to leave it on your face, to wash your face for like a minute before even rinsing it off, because you just want to make sure that you're starting off with a clean slate. Nothing that's going to overly dry your skin though. You don't want it to be overly stripped. You want it cleansed. Don't throw off your skin pH, right? Especially if you are repairing your skin barrier, like I am. So in other words, don't do too much. Okay, just cleanse. Wait, time to rinse, drying. I had these facial towels and I ran out of them, and I'm really sad because I really enjoyed using those facial towels. It's so simple. You just wipe and go. It was from Clean Skin. So Clean Skin, if you want to work together, I'd love to. Just letting you know. All right, I got a pimple coming in. I always find that on the days I wear like lots of makeup, sometimes it just breakouts occur. So I got one right here. Lovely. Most likely it'll be gone by tomorrow. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna use a facial spray here from IDC Dermo, and it's like a protective refreshing mist. I like using this right before I go in with a serum instead of a toner. I find it can be a little harsh. The Estee Lauder NR Serum, I've spoken about this so often. This puts beauty back in beauty sleep. Your skin looks and feels better. Take a full dropper. And this really is going to help even out my skin tone, because I really want to get rid of this hyperpigmentation as fast as possible. And I find just putting it on damp skin helps. And I'm limiting the amount of actives that I put on my skin. Right now my skin can tolerate Estee Lauder, so my skin is going to deal with Estee Lauder and Estee Lauder alone. I love this though. Okay, and for my night eye cream, it's not my night eye cream, it's my eye cream. For my eye cream, Caudalie, this is the Premier Cru eye cream. This is quite thick, but I love the applicator, and I use that to kind of gently massage underneath my eye, like right here. The eye bags are genetic, so this is not gonna get rid of this particular one here because I'd have to get like surgery, but it does, I am overly tired, and I like to use this to just really kind of depuff completely different from these bags here. But you definitely want to use like a little bit goes a long way. It's very much gentle under that area there. So if you use too much, it can travel or it can take like a while to really get absorbed into the skin. And we don't like that. So I'm just gonna do it like that, and you'll notice that I am leaving some. Let's do over the eyelid here. I did wear quite a bit of products on the eyelid because of my eye makeup. I notice this time of year, the skin around my eye gets to be very sensitive. I think it's allergies, to be honest. Okay, with that done, I'm just gonna go in and pat with my ring finger. I've been doing that for like a few years. Somebody told me to start patting with my ring finger, and I've been doing it ever since. Okay, once I am satisfied that it has been absorbed, right, I'm gonna go in with another Canadian skincare brand, and you may have remembered that I used the IDC, and instead of the balm, now I'm using the SOS repairing cream. It's an overnight mask. I like to use it as a cream mask, but it's good for compromised skin, overly tired, overly stressed, doing too much like I did. So this has been really helpful. It's such a game changer and really soothing on my face, and no breakouts. I'm really surprised that it's a cream mask. So this is pretty heavy duty. I don't use a lot on my face, but I'm surprised that I've had no breakouts. And I'm gonna focus around where it's like most compromised, which is right around the mouth area. And I've got a little bit here too. And I'm just gonna add some more here because I don't want the rest of my skin to be overly dry. I'm not gonna put as much though. Okay, and then tap some of my eyelids where I'm kind of feeling it. Here we go. And that is my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. You could even call it my skin repairing nighttime skincare routine. Always make sure to double cleanse. You really wanna make sure that your serums are doing what you want it to do, because if you're gonna spend all that money, well, you're gonna wanna see results. The best way to see results is on a clean canvas. And that is it for me. Thank you for following me along my vlog. We spent the day together. I hope you enjoyed it. And so I will talk to you guys later. Ciao for now.